What's up guys, this is Nikhil and welcome back to my channel VIZAG RIDER MACHA. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install bubble visor on R15 version 3 BS6. Most of us know that R15 is one of the best looking bike and also which comes in best budget for middle class people like us. So in order to make it look much more beautiful and to enhance its beauty, we have so many customization options that we can do on this bike. So recently one of my friend Balu, if you remember him, he's the one who recently joined our group and also who has a BS6 R15 version 3. He decided to upgrade his bike visor to bubble visor. So we recently went to the mechanic shop and installed the bubble visor, and I thought why not make a small video about it so that if you guys are one among those who own a R15 version 3, you can make your decision and you can also install the bubble visor on your bike. So yes, please watch this video till the end, know how the bike looks after installing the bubble visor. Also friends, I need to share some important thing, that is I have decided to make and upload videos regularly from now on. I don't know for how much long this will continue, but I need your support for my videos. And also according to my channel statistics, most of you guys are watching my videos but haven't subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also like this video if you think I'm working hard to make videos for you.